only these 3 things can help you achieve your watch hour. The honest truth is that if you don't do these 3 things, your watch hour will still be lagging, except you want to go and buy from all those vendors, and at the end of the day, you'll not get the value of your money. So yeah, I've gotten a lot of questions, people saying that watch hour is like the hardest thing in monetization, how to get their 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, I'll be teaching you guys what and what you're supposed to be doing to get your watch hours fast, quicker, and at the end of the day, you're monetized ASAP. I've given people this method, and definitely, and their channels are monetized. And yeah, if you do these 3 methods too, your channel will definitely be monetized. So yeah, let's dive right into this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna Moshika, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How are you guys doing? How are you doing? So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and share this video. So I'm just going to be blunt in this video. I'm going to be telling you what and what you're supposed to be doing to get your 4,000 watch hours ASAP, like as fast as possible. So the first thing is playlist. Stream your playlist, guys. So if you don't have a playlist, you're very wrong. If you want a video on how to create a playlist, just leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to help you guys out. So yeah, playlists are very important. If you have videos on your channel, you have to create a playlist and put all those videos in your playlist. So the next thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to be sending your families and friends that playlist for them to stream your videos, guys. It's very important for them to stream your videos, because in that way you're accumulating your watch time hours. So basically, watch time hours is basically the amount of hours people spend on your video. So that's what YouTube is counting, not just your views. You have to put that in Notion. It has to be the amount of time people are spending on your videos. So that's why it's important to tell your families and friends, your uncles, your aunties, for them to stream your videos, especially at night when they're sleeping. They can just stream your videos, especially if they have Wi-Fi, and yeah, they can just stream your videos overnight. So yeah, I know only you cannot do it. You have to use different Gmail account, because you're using just one Gmail account, it will not really accumulate like that. So if you've done that for 24 hours, you have to use another account again to get another 24 hours. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, it's very important for you to stream your playlist. And even if you don't know how to create a playlist, there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to create playlists. You can easily just create your playlist and start watching your videos, guys. So it's very important, guys. Don't forget, create your playlist. It's very, very important. So if you think you just sit down and cross your leg and you think watch hours will come to your videos, it's not going to work that way. You have to put in the work, guys. If you want it as fast as possible, you have to do these things I'm telling you. So yeah, your watch hours is very, very important. So one thing I would say is that stream your playlist, and definitely YouTube might be reducing your views, your subscribers, but still stream your playlist. It's going to, at the end of the day, it's going to accumulate. So it's very important to stream your playlist. So the next thing you do to get your watch time hours faster is live streaming. Live streaming is very important, guys. I've heard a lot of good things about this, but I know I don't do live streaming, but it's very, very important, guys. Once you're done live streaming, you put your live stream in your playlist for people to watch your videos. So the thing about live streaming is that you can make money in live streaming through super stickers, super thanks, super chats. Like when you're in your live stream, people can send you money. That's what it basically means. Super likes, super stickers. So yeah, once they send you money, that's the only form in way you can make money from live streaming. But once you're done streaming your video, always put it on a playlist. So the thing about live stream is that it's only that method you can get money from. But with long form videos, you can make money, like when people view your channel and watch your videos, and you make money from that. So that's why I always advise that even as much as you do live streaming, always make sure you always put out long form video, because that's way long form videos, you can make more money from long form videos than live streaming. So it's very important, guys. And also stream your videos, guys. Only you cannot do it by yourself. You have to send it to your families, your friends, your uncles, for them to stream your videos. Very important. And when you're streaming your video, use different Gmail accounts. Don't just use only one account. After 24 hours, change the account, use another account, so that it can read, as in is your watch time hour that is reading. So watch time hour is basically the amount of time a person spends on your video. So it's not about views. You don't have views, just person clicks on it and then that view counts. But for watch time hours, person has to spend at least throughout that video, person watches from beginning to end, and that watch time hour the person watch counts. So that's the way you can go about it. So it's very important. Your live stream, once you're done with your live stream, put it in your playlist and tell people to stream it. So to count in your watch time hours. So it's very, very important, guys. So it's very important that you get your channel monetized fast, so that once you get a viral video, it's going to count for you. Because if you have a viral video when you're not monetized, you're not going to make that money. That views, that money has gone. It's only when you're monetized that you can actually make money from that video. Like when you get monetized, that's when your money starts counting. If you have not monetized, your money will not start counting. So it's very important that you get your watch time hours faster and get monetized, so when you have a viral video, it starts counting for you and you start making money from it. So another thing, during the process of getting this 4,000 watch hours, YouTube might be reducing your watch time hours. Don't panic, guys. It's normal. Just keep on pushing. Like, don't quit, guys. Just give yourself motivation that it's going to be worth it at the end. Like, one video can just go viral and then you're monetized, like literally. So don't give up, guys. Always keep pushing. Like, just see the end goal. You're going to make money. Like, YouTube money is sweet, guys. Let nobody deceive you. The money is sweet and you'll be earning in dollars, not naira. So it's definitely very worth it. So all your hard work will definitely pay out. Just put your trust in God, and definitely your YouTube channel will definitely get monetized. So the third thing I'm going to say is consistency and the spirit of not quitting. You know, I don't joke with this, guys. Be consistent. Like, consistency pays, guys. Don't think that, I know it can be frustrating. You're putting a lot of work, you're not seeing the results. Like, at some point I'm like, what's going on? I'm putting a lot of work and I'm not seeing the outcome. Tell the devil you're a liar. I'm going to get monetized, and yeah, it definitely came to pass. So yeah, it's very important that you tell yourself you're going to get monetized. I can do this. With God with me, I can do this. So yeah, work with all those 4 features YouTube have given you: uploading long form videos, uploading shorts, upload live streaming, and also share with your community, guys. Share with your community is very, very important, because I noticed anytime I share my videos, I've uploaded it, then next day I share my video with my community, I notice that I get more views. My community people are actually watching my videos, and it shares my video. YouTube recommends my videos better when I share to my community. So it's definitely important that you do this. Follow all the four options YouTube have given you. I know some people will be like, they only upload long form videos. Are you savvy? Or some people will say that they'll upload long form videos, do not upload short form videos. Guys, I would advise you to do all of them, guys. It's very important. Live streaming, long form videos, shorts, community tab. If you don't know how to open a community tab, you have videos on YouTube on how to upload community tab. Upload that video. It's definitely important that you do that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have more questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to help you guys out. So you guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and very importantly, do everything I've said in this video if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours fast. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye.